Using find and replace in a spreadsheet can help you fix things quickly, like a typo on a spreadsheet, or maybe you want to use the same document, but you want to change everything in the document from 2024 to 2025. So in this case, I can see that I've spelled binder wrong, and I want to replace all of those without having to copy and paste. So I'm going to select my data first. I'm going to hit Control and F for find, and I'm going to be looking for BNDER because that's how I spelled it wrong. I want to replace it with the correct spelling, BINDER. I'm going to go ahead and say replace all, and it corrects all of those things for me. Now, the other thing I see is that it's saying that my binders cost $4.99, and I'm going to change $4.99 to $5.99 because the price has gone up. So I'm going to say Control F. I'm going to find $4.99, and I'm going to replace it with $5.99. Now, the thing you have to be careful with is if you have $4.99 in another place, like here's $4.99 for pens down here. So I don't want to replace all of them at one time. So what I'm going to do is say, find the next, and I'm going to replace it. Find next, replace it. It's going to take me down the row. And once I finish with binders, I'll be done. So there's several different ways that you can do it, but it's very handy when you want to correct a lot of things at the same time.